you before at Boxer Fest.
Yes.
What do you have?
I had this 09 Subaru Outback.
Oh yeah?
I had side pipes.
How is that one?
Yeah, I just got it freshly painted last week, so.
Yeah, like.
It's a midnight purple from an R33 GTR.
Yo. Cool, man. Woo!
The next steps, I'm doing a whole a stained wooden floor in the back.
What?
Yeah, because it's gutted.
Cool, show me that. That's freaking awesome.
Yeah, so this whole thing, it's junk right now, but this whole thing's gonna be the flat wood. We're gonna do air suspension, so I'm gonna have that whole setup here.
Cool.
So.
Yo, you got a lot of room to work with. That's sweet.
Yeah.
Work in progress.
It is. One of my projects.
So what's that gonna run you in the interior if you're gonna do the floor and everything like that?
I'm gonna do that myself.
Okay.
I just ordered seats for it. So it'll be bucket seats. I'm getting them reupholstered though.
Okay.
So they're gonna be like a diamond stitched leather. So bucket seat diamond stitched.
What brand are you going with?
Rom.
Cool.
Yeah.
Sweet.
I had Roms in my Audi. So
yeah.
I kind of like them.
Very cool. Is this wrapped or is it painted?
It's painted.
It's painted?
Yep.
So you literally, this car was like done at friggin' Boxer Fest.
It was.
And then now.
Yeah. So I'm gonna hang on to these wheels for now, but I'm trying to get either gold or copper ones.
Gold or copper?
Yeah, I think that'll match the purple pretty well.
Yeah. I saw the copper at Boxer Fest and it looked great. So, I mean, but gold on this will pop.
Yeah,
so,
I'm thinking.
Geez, that's a tough call.
I know. I gotta weigh my options.
Are you gonna paint them? You're gonna powder coat them? What are you gonna do?
No, they would be totally different wheels.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
These are so nice though.
I know, I really like these wheels, but.
What are the fitment on them?
18 by 9s.
Awesome.
It's 35 mil offset. It sits flush with no spacers.
Yo, no joke, I can throw these on the G right now. Yeah, that's pretty much exactly, that is exactly the specs I have on the G right now.
Yeah, they're nice.
Yeah, man, that'll hold the road. Nice planted, yeah. And then you got the side pipes. This is just ridiculous.
It's actually a full-length exhaust.
Yeah. You were telling me before, how does that work that it shoots fire? Because I want to show shooting fire in a little bit.
So it's just an ignition cut. It's kind of like a two-step. Okay. But it's kind of like a homemade one that we did.
Okay.
My buddy does a lot of electrical stuff. Yeah. So I had a BR on this. But that's also very bad for your engine, your pistons.
Oh, okay.
So we made our own. It's fun to do. But, it's not a consistent like a two-step, but it's just an ignition cut.
Yeah, you showed me before. It's like the super hesitation and then fire. It's like
it's also because the exhaust is so long. Most people think it dumps right off the headers. Yeah. But it doesn't. It goes from the headers halfway down to a muffler. Yeah. And then comes back around.
Wow. Alright, so explain this to me. We got pipes shooting out right here. Yeah?
So it comes off the headers.
Off the headers, which are on the bottom.
Yeah, on the bottom. Okay. It goes about halfway back. Yeah. Into a Flowmaster. And then it wraps up around again and comes back in.
Woo! So then it wraps up there.
Yep, so I wanted it to be a full-length exhaust.
Yeah.
And I daily drive it right now, so I don't want it to be open headers. Yeah. So it has no cats, it has no resonators, but it has one muffler, so it keeps it a little quiet.
A little quiet.
A little.
We'll show them how quiet it keeps it in a little bit.
Yeah.
This thing will shoot flames And I tried to get flames as best I could in the Boxer Fest episode. It's right up here.
Yeah. Don't hit a crowd.
It's hungry.
Mine's still louder.
Lots of people around. It's getting hungry. Yeah.
Yeah, mine's still louder.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yours will. You know, the 5 second and then pop.
At Boxer Fest, you gotta actually warm this thing up to get to shoot flames.
Cool.
So
we will make sure to warm this up tonight. And this thing.
I'll probably just take it around the block a couple times, do some pulls, and get it warmed up.
Very cool.
If the pipes aren't hot, it's not gonna shoot flames.
Yeah.
It runs super rich, so that's why it does shoot flames, but you gotta get it warmed up.
What are you using to tune it?
It was street tune.
Just street tune?
Yeah, just street tune.
Okay. Sweet. It's so clean in the back without the pipes there.
Oh yeah.
Very cool.
It's 2.5 inch piping.
2.5?
Yep.
All the way through?
Yep.
All right. And then it shoots out both sides like whiskers, man.
Yeah. I did have before I had the exhaust. It dumped out here.
Okay.
As you can see, it kind of melted.
Yeah. No bueno.
But I wanted to lower it a little bit more so the pipes would not fit because they were sitting down.
Oh wow, you were just dumping right out. That's cool.
Yeah, it was just a dump right from the headers off both sides.
That's like a more conventional side pipe.
Yeah. So I was like, I want to be different. My original idea was to have it cut through the side skirt.
Okay.
Have like a dual tip coming out.
Mm-hmm.
I've seen some SRTs like that, like the Cherokees.
Yeah.
But
then you
this idea because when taking off my side skirt, I found out that my frame is right there, so I can't cut through that. So I was like, let's go back to the drawing board. And this is what we came up with.
Yo, that's cool.
The guy who painted it, he's also working on fabricating actual heat shields.
I remember before you had heat shields right here.
It's just sheet metal.
Yeah.
He has actually cutouts for it, so it'll be like a little metal square, but cutouts, and then he bends it up this way too.
Yeah, so to make sure it's not melting your nice paint away.
Yeah. It'll be a cleaner look.
That hasn't affected your paint yet, has it?
Every single time I get out of my car, I wipe it down right there.
That's a good call. Just put a layer of...
Anytime I try to polish these tips, they get discolored so quickly.
Yeah, well that's what happens when you shoot fire out on them, you know what I mean? Shoot.
It scares people though. My YouTube is JFilms.
Your YouTube?
Yeah, JFilms.
JFilms?
Yep.
Cool, man. We'll put the link right here. Go there and subscribe to JFilms. And Sidepiped Subie on Instagram. What's your name?
Marvin.
Marvin. Nice to meet you, boss.
Really never satisfied.
Hey. You gonna go warm it up?
I think it'll be fine.
Okay. Okay!
Back into hiding.
Yo! Wait. I want a shot front ends like that.
We're doing start. Because they just told me to stop.
Oh, okay.
That's why I stopped.
Okay, I got you. Damn! Dude, the flame was like so defined. Holy crap. I'm shopping.
Go and buy some toys for the kids.
You got Walmart too.
Woo. Okay. Sounds good, man. Very cool. Where are we heading?
I think IKEA.
IKEA?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool, man. Did you?
Yeah, I stole a lift. No.
Oh, okay.
I have one seat.
Oh, I didn't even realize.
Yeah, it's gutted in the back.
Okay.
There's no back seats.
Yeah, you can't do this thing.
No.
They're like, it's
Well,
called unsafe.
It's just bare metal back there and subs. That's it.
Unsafe.
And I put it on. I thought it was funny.
You think the back of the car too?
I don't think the back of his car even matters. The front has everything.
Hey man, you recording?
Cute.
I was gonna say, how to take you?
What's up, man?
What's up?
Cool, man.
I don't know how we got into each other's group.
Whose car?
Huh? Come in right here. Josh?
I have a Honda.
You're just like sitting there like,
I want to put a video, man.
what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna shoot flames.
I like that idea. Oh, man.
Hold on. Lil, don't get that close.
It was a flamethrower, man. That was a flamethrower, yo. That was sick.
I had to go all the way back there, man.
Wow. It literally was just like.
Yeah, if I dump my foot on the pedal a little bit more,
Yeah.
just dump more gas into it because it's just ignition cut and switch.
Oh, yeah.
It's running rich, so it just cuts ignition and lets fuel just go through.
Very cool.
Gunpowder in there? It's a candy. My buddy did it. It's just like 2 relays in here. They just run a tune on it. And then it's just switching the
fuel, right?
Yeah, it cuts ignition. I have a switch to cut ignition. If I dump my foot or put my foot flat down the pedal, you gotta play with it a little bit. Do you know Eric, the Q50? He shoots flames too. But it's all pedal play. You gotta get it right. I couldn't do it for a while, and then I finally found like the actual pattern I have to do it with my foot.
Homie got a Hellcat, fully built motor. He's good with no problem.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you're just spitting flame, like, you know. The injectors on that are a little different, I think, you know.
This is why I don't get good gas mileage either.
I'm a bad motherfucker. I get 7 miles a gallon.
7?
How much you get with 900 horsepower?
He get under that.
What are you doing?
You gotta protect the feet.
Yo, try not to melt things. Yo. Things loud. Yo. Yeah. Woo!
Can't leave this guy back here like that.
There's the smoke and everything going on. Tonight's a good night.
If only it was rear wheel drive. You ready, bro?
You want to shoot one last time? Holy crap.
It took a little bit, but
That was amazing. Yo. High five, man. Freaking awesome work.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below and share the video, and we'll see you next time.
you need a gimbal.
It's a nice stabilizer. I don't know how to use it, but
It's just a gimbal.
yeah.
It's motorized.
It's motorized?
Yeah.